Ever gazed at stunning images of nebulae and wondered why they burst with such vibrant colors? Today, we're exploring the science behind these cosmic masterpieces, revealing how gases and light paint the universe. First, emission nebulae, like the breathtaking Orion. Young stars ionize surrounding gases. Hydrogen then emits distinct red light, while ionized oxygen glows blue-green. It's a giant cosmic neon sign, powered by starlight. Next, reflection nebulae. These interstellar dust clouds don't emit light, but reflect it from nearby hot stars. Blue light scatters more efficiently, making them strikingly blue, like our sky. The blue haze around the Pleiades is a classic example. Finally, dark nebulae. These dense clouds of dust and gas block light from behind, appearing as dark silhouettes. The famous Horsehead Nebula showcases this absence of light, hinting at hidden stellar nurseries within. So, from glowing gas to scattered starlight, each nebula tells a vibrant story of celestial chemistry and physics. If you found this cosmic journey fascinating, hit like, share, and subscribe for more stellar insights.